shared my thoughts regarding Sirah Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When I talk about role models and exemplary individuals, the first person that comes to mind is the Prophet, peace be upon him, the purest man ever to walk on earth and the most pure to our Creator, Allah Azza wa Jalla. The Prophet, peace be upon him, was a perfect example of how one should live and a walking demonstration of the commandments of Holy Quran. As quoted by Hazrat Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha, every action of his was a guideline for people, and every word was a code to be engraved on one's heart and soul. Coming around to the main topic of my speech today, namely kindness. The Prophet, peace be upon him, was well known for his actions and behavior towards people and other living things. He was so compassionate and caring that even non-Muslims admitted to it. The era before the Prophet's birth was called the age of ignorance. The treatment of women, especially of daughters, was horrible. Fathers would become furious at the birth of daughters and would bury them alive with no regret. However, the Prophet, peace be upon him, brought a great change. And instilled compassion into the hearts of Muslims. The Quran mentions his kindness and gentleness in these words. فَبِمَا رَحْمَةٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ لِنتَ لَهُمْ وَلَوْ كُنتَ فَظًّا غَلِيظَ الْقَلْبِ لَانفَضُّوا مِنْ حَوْلِكَ. O Messenger of Allah, it is the great mercy of God that you are kind and gentle. For had you been harsh and hard-hearted, you would have broken away from you. There are many instances which show the kindness and gentleness of our Prophet, peace be upon him, especially towards the weak and poor. The Prophet would never turn anybody away empty-handed and would go as far as taking loans to help others. The examples of kindness shown by our beloved leader, Prophet, peace be upon him, are endless, and we could spend several hours just mentioning them. There are many which are even not recorded in history. Therefore, keeping in mind the limited time, I would like to conclude my speech. May Allah help us all and make it easier for us to follow the footsteps of our Prophet, peace be upon him. Jazakallahu khairan.